Make sure the hexagon plum blossom groove on heating needle is aligned with the hexagon plum blossom boss on handpiece, push tilt to position. Long press power switch to turn on the device. Short press power switch to change memory mode from T1 to T5. Press power switch and then press main switch to enter memory parameter setting. Press main switch to change temperature and press power switch to confirm. Press main switch to change heating time and press power switch to confirm. Press main switch to change cooling time and press power switch to confirm. Press main switch to heat the heating needle and various parameters will be displayed on the screen. Release the main switch, the heating needle stops heating, and the cooling indication appears. If the heating needle is not installed correctly, or the heating needle is broken, tip error reminder will appear. Long press power switch to turn off the device. Long press the power switch in the off state and then long press the main switch to enter the advanced setting mode. Auto power off, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Beeper volume, 0, 1, 2. Restore settings, no or yes. Save, no or yes.